Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is not the typical just protein shake that you will give like to your grandpa, like I used to think when I was a kid. But this is actually has always been really good. This Ensure strawberry flavor, it's probably been one of my favorite ones since I was a kid. And the things that I like the most about this is just like the flavor, just because it has a high protein and high nutrient drink. It doesn't mean that it has to taste bad or too much like protein, like sometimes it would do. But the flavor, it just feels like a strawberry milkshake. The texture is really good. It's thick. I just sometimes put it in the fridge and let it sit for a while, and it's just gonna taste great. And it's gonna have you this feeling that you're having a high nutrient or nutrient-rich beverage right there. The convenience of just grabbing it anywhere and knowing that you're gonna have quality ingredients in here just tastes great. So this was John with Ali TI, and that was my point of view.